This is the motion control heavy duty lightsaber for adults. Let's see what's inside. Alright, so opening up the box, you're gonna have one lightsaber hilt. You're gonna have one lightsaber stand kit. You'll have a bag with a charger, an Allen key, and some Allen screws. You'll have one user manual. And last but not least, you'll have one translucent blade with a cap on the end. And you can remove that cap. So to put the lightsaber together, you're gonna want to grab the hilt, and you're gonna wanna grab the long translucent blade, and you're gonna wanna grab the bag with all of the screws in it. Open up the bag and grab the Allen key and all of the Allen screws. Now on this lightsaber, you're gonna have 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. These already have started. Put the blade into the hilt and use the Allen key and the Allen screws and screw it together like this. And this RGB lightsaber is equipped with the 82cm or 32-inch high-impact thick blade made of polycarbonate, making it resistant to blows, hard to bend or break, and ideal for heavy dueling. And make sure to get it jacked down really tight or else it'll become loose later. And after you've screwed the screws in, the lightsaber is finished.